Manu, Minu, come with me. Let's count numbers 1, 2, 3. Yes, Mama, let's start now. Teach me numbers, show me how. 1, 1, only 1. Learning numbers is so fun. One yellow block shining bright. Minu claps with pure delight. 2, 2, 1 and 2. Counting makes me happy too. Two little cars go vroom, vroom fast. Minu counts them as they pass. 3 balloons, red, blue, green. Prettiest colors ever seen. Floating high up in the sky. Minu waves and counts them by. 4, 4, apples red. Let's count slowly, Mama said. 1, 2, 3, and one more. Mama, look now, I know 4. 5 toy friends come out to play, singing, laughing all the way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, hooray!